Hey there, dreamers. DWG here. Let's get it. This is just going to be a nice, chill session. I want to talk about a few things on my mind. You guys already know, I ain't got to tell you, you already know that the pre release of 4.0 Godot 4.0 Beta 2 is out. And I got to laugh a little bit because earlier in another video, I kept on saying, like, should I just jump on to 3.5.1 or should I wait for Godot 4.0 to fully be released? I was watching this one video and a couple different other people were saying, oh, you know what, just jump on in there, just start, right? So that makes sense. I'm going to do that. As soon as I go to do that, Remy, which I hope I'm saying his name right, he posts, like clockwork, here's Godot 4 Beta 2. I'm like, oh, come on, man. Which totally told, in my heart and soul, I just said, okay, I'm waiting. I'm waiting for 4.0, but I'm not going to wait to try tutorials. I'm going to go ahead and jump on 4.0 beta because I believe everything is frozen now, right? Feature froze or locked or whatever, froze did. So I'm going to go ahead and just jump onto the beta release of Godot 4.0 and start my learning there. And I'm going to start doing some tutorials out there. I got to jump on over to Game Dev Journey's channel to go see, because he always talks about different tutorials and whatnot. So I'm going to go look for his advice on that and find some good tutorials out there. But any case, if you are like me and a little bit nervous about clicking on some things, if you want to try out the beta and you're like, yo, I want to get on this too, you just click on the dev snapshot right there, right? Once that happens, you're going to go to, not here. You don't want to click here. You want to move down to here where it says jump to download section. Once you do that, click on the standard build. All right, because I'm going to be using GD script. If you want to do something different, that's, do you, but I'm doing GD script, right? So look for your operating system, which mine is going to be Windows 64-bit, right? You click on that, and that's going to download to your computer in the download folder or wherever you have told downloads to go. Once that happens, you're going to extract the file and extract it to your desktop if you want, like I just did. And, well, not just did, but I did it already, but here it is. So you click on the executable inside of there and Godot will launch, right? Now, I'm not going to get into this right now because I don't know anything yet and I have to get in there and learn it, right? So let's just jump right back out and go back because I want to show you something else. In that same post, you got to check out this gentleman here, Dev Mar, right? This game right here has been, I think he started over in Godot 3, but he's ported it or converted it or has been working in Godot 4. And I'm thinking to myself, man, he's pulling this off in Godot 4? And Godot was in alpha for, a while. And I'm thinking, was he messing around with this in alpha? And now he went into beta and, here goes beta 2. Like, this dude is no joke. I can't wait to go check out his channel. I already checked it out and he has a bunch of followers. But you know what? Count me in. I'll be right there with you. So check him out. Wonderful job. I hope I can just be, a percentage good like this, man, because that's really cool. Also, AMD did something really cool, and they gave the Godot rendering team one of these cards right here. I saw it on the post. Let me see. There it is right here. As a huge thanks to AMD for the generous donation of the Radeon 6900 XT GPU to the Godot rendering team. Okay, so hopefully, and they have eventually ray tracing, so hopefully this will help the rendering team to bring a lot more power to Godot. And hats off to AMD. Now, you guys might remember another video. I had everything that I've ever purchased computer-wise when it came to CPUs. I've always had AMD. Now, I've had NVIDIA as far as graphic cards and whatnot, but there's a lot of stuff going on with them right now. In any case, as far as CPU, I've never purchased an Intel anything. I've always had AMD. So I'm very happy to see that AMD is doing, something like this to help the open source community. That is awesome, AMD. I don't know if you ever see this video, but if you're anybody from AMD, hey, that is really, 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 really cool. And thank you for doing that, okay? So the next thing I want to kind of bring to you guys' attention, I don't know if you had the chance to check out my video. It's sort of a video, but it's actually more of a creative writing session. And like I have here, it's creative writing session with music to spark your imagination. We got worlds to create. And this is about creating your world for your game, no matter what it is, right? And I have a couple clues up there for what you might want to think about whenever you're creating the world for your game. I'm going to be doing more of these, and I kept it at a half hour because I'm thinking to myself, a lot of people are busy, but you need to have time to sit down and work on whatever it is that you want to work on. So even if you're making a story for a book, then this audio will help you, right? I'm thinking. I think it would be a nice chill session. I'm going to make more of these, but could you tell me in the comments that, did you like it? Do you not like it? Anything like that. Constructive criticism, it's all good. It's all love. And you're not going to hurt my feelings or anything like that. So let me know. Do you like these music things where you sit down and you listen to the music and you write? I really, really would like to know your feedback on that. And with that, I would like to know your feedback on the new artwork inside a dream. Right, go! I think it's really cool. I like it. I really like it. I like it. I'm very happy with it. I'm working on getting some thumbnails together. I mean, because a lot of you guys out there who really, really, really know how to make these videos, y'all stuff looks really cool. And I'm like, geez, mine don't look that cool. But you know what? You can't compare yourself to other folks. I remember, I think it was Denzel Washington when he says something like, I don't care who's doing, better than me. I'm just, just work on you. And that's where I really am. It doesn't matter who's better than you in anything, really. It just matters in you bettering yourself, and the people that are better than me at different things, I look at them, for guidance. Like, okay, what is it that you were doing? What did you go through? How can I better myself? That way. So, and I hope that was just me trying to give some words of encouragement to other folks that might be like me and who's just like, what, I'm tired of this. I got to get out there and go after the things that I want to do. You got to dream about it, write it down, and go after it like a mofo. I hope you guys have a good one. I'm out of here. Peace.